बाकी लोग कौन?
हम लोग काफी नहीं है क्या आपके?
उदय जी जो है वो इस वक्त एलए में है, और कटरीना जी कहाँ है इस वक्त मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता।
अभिषेक आपके
वो एक सीक्रेट है।
मैं एकदम तंदुरुस्त हूँ मैडम। Health is fine. My elbow is hurt. That's it. I've torn a tendon in my elbow. But it's nothing serious. I'll be fine.
विक्टर ये
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता मैडम।
क्या हुआ?
इस बार क्या होने वाला है?
देखिए बड़े रूमर्स फैल रहे हैं कि मैं पता नहीं कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी करने वाला हूँ। कोई स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं है, आप प्रोमो देखिए, पसंद आएगा तो आप लोग आएंगे फिल्म देखने।
नहीं, कुछ अलग हमेशा आप करते हैं फिल्म को लेकर।
देखते हैं क्या होता है।
We heard that you suggested some suggestions to Aditya Chopra and the Yash Raj team, who also are known for their great marketing ideas, and also you've had some creative differences in the process. So any truth to that, and if they are so?
Well, I hope I have creative differences in every film that I do, but nothing major. I think that Yash Raj is a great production house. I'm really enjoying working with them, and they are very passionate about the films they do. They know the business really well. They know marketing really well. They know everything really well. So it's a great experience working with Adi and his entire team.
The three villains have always been very different from each other. There's no similarity between them, and I really think Amir this time has pushed the envelope beyond what even we thought was possible. And full credit for him for doing that. I think he's done a brilliant job. I said it before we started shooting. I think he's done brilliant, memorable films. I think this will be his biggest and most memorable.
Amir,
कहानी बहुत पसंद है, मुझे बेहद पसंद आई कहानी, और it's something that really touched me, excited me in every way. और धूम में actually clarify because I don't want people to have the wrong impression. जो आमतौर पे जो हिंदी फिल्मों के विलेन होते हैं, उस किस्म का विलेन होता नहीं धूम। Except I think in Dhoom 1 he was more conventional black and white villain. But so I don't want people to feel कि कुछ मैं विलेन का रोल कर रहा हूँ जो एकदम ब्लैक है या जो बहुत बुरे काम करता है, उस किस्म का विलेन नहीं। But I did the film because I really loved the role, and I was looking forward to the opportunity of working with Abhishek and Uday, and I must say it was a great experience. दोनों के साथ काम करके बेहद मजा आया, और दोनों के लिए मैंने एक नाम भी रखा है, याजूद माजूद। आप लोग जानते हैं याजूद माजूद क्या है? नहीं जानते। मेरी अम्मी मुझे बताती थी जब मैं छोटा था कि दो फरिश्ते होते हैं जो आपके कंधों में बैठे रहते हैं। जब भी आप कोई गलत काम करने जा रहे हैं तो एक फरिश्ता बोलता है मत करो यार, ये गलत काम है, ठीक नहीं, मत करो। दूसरा बोलता है कर लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एक ही जिंदगी, एक जो करना कर लो। तो दोनों याजूद माजूद लगे मुझे, उदय और अभिषेक। उदय जो है वो सीधा है, फिल्म के अंदर टेढ़ा है वो, फिल्म के अंदर टेढ़ा है, और जय दीक्षित सीधा है, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट। उदय सीधा है और ये टेढ़ा है, तो याजूद माजूद।
Dad was shooting for KBC, and the set of KBC is in Yash Raj Studios. He has known Adi since Adi was, I think, brought to him in the hospital when he was born. So he has a bit of a connect with him, and Adi came to him and said, "Amit uncle, I want to show you the trailer." I think the trailer had just come out, right, Victor? This is, I think, day before yesterday. He didn't tell me. I think he met you. Yeah.
He told me about it.
Yeah. And he came home, and in his usual cool style, he said, "Saw the promo. Awesome." I was happy. Yeah.
That's it.
That's, I mean, some person saying awesome is a lot. That's a lot. I mean, you don't hear that every day.
Amir, what was his response to you?
Oh, he spoke to me and he said he really loved it, and he was really happy. So I was thrilled.
Also,
It's a bit of a tradition actually, क्योंकि Dhoom 1 जब हम बना रहे थे, Dhoom 1 का जो पहला थिएट्रिकल प्रोमो निकला था, यश अंकल ने खास डैड को फिल्म सिटी बुलाया था. Then there was the ad labs in Film City, and he was the first person to see the trailer. And the same thing was done with Dhoom 2. So I think since Yash uncle is not with us anymore, Adi's keeping the tradition alive. My first memory of, my father's very dear friend Shri Amjad Khan was, I think they were shooting for Naseeb, and I went to the studio. They were shooting on the set, which was a revolving restaurant. And I saw him and I jumped on him and started beating him up. Because the night before I'd seen बरसात की एक रात और एक सीन में उन्होंने डैड को खूब मारा था. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा कि ये मेरे पिताजी को मार रहे हैं. So I started fighting with him and saying, आपने मेरे पिताजी को क्यों मारा. So for me, Amjad uncle has always been the quintessential villain.
जैसे आपने अमजद जी की एक्चुअली पिटाई की थी, क्या आपको लगता है कि आपकी बिटिया और आमिर खान आमिर रानी खान की और आपकी बिटिया की?
जी नहीं, क्योंकि इस शूटिंग के दौरान जब हम लोग शिकागो में थे, Aradhya had come with Aishwarya to Chicago, and Amir one evening came and spent an evening with her, and she was very pally with him. She liked him very much. So I don't think she'll do anything of the sort. And once you see the film, जैसे कि Amir ने कहा, he's not the quintessential villain. He has a very wonderful reason for doing what he does, and there is a justification. So I wouldn't call Amir the villain of the film. It's a very high point in any actor's career when suddenly your phone rings and you pick it up and it says Amir Khan on it. And I remember Amir called me and he said, "Yeah, I just heard the script. It's superb. We'll have a great time." I said, "Yeah, we will." He didn't know I had not heard the script. "You have a very good role, huh?" I said, "Thanks." अभी मैं उनको कैसे बताऊं कि I have not heard the script, मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूं पिक्चर में. I said, "Yeah, हम लोग ये करेंगे." And he went into a discussion about my character. I had no clue what he was talking about. And I think this is the first time I'm telling you about this. Yeah, so I managed to pull this through with him. But it was so wonderful for Amir just to call and show his enthusiasm for what he does. Uday and I are very junior in front of him, and it was purely our pleasure to work with him. But the fact that he was more excited to work with the whole team and with Victor and Katrina and Uday and myself, it was just, it's so wonderful when you get to work with people who don't only teach you, how to improve yourself as an actor, but to show you the kind of enthusiasm. He's like a child on set. He's so inquisitive and he's always playing some prank or he wants to play a game and he's always discussing, and you pack up and we go rehearse, and it's just a wonderful atmosphere that he creates. I'll never forget that, because the first time he called me, I was shooting in New Zealand, I remember. And for a matter of fact, Adi had also not told me that we're making Dhoom 3. So Amir had called me and said, "Super, I didn't know we're making Dhoom 3. Adi had not even told me, "Bhaiya, ye bana rahe hain." And he said, we must meet and we must discuss. So मैंने कहा कि हाँ जी, मैं न्यूजीलैंड में मैं लौट के आपसे मिलता हूँ. And I had no idea कि ये पिक्चर बनने वाली है, who's doing what is happening. But even before we heard the script started, even our rehearsals, he was so excited and he's maintained that throughout. So it's just an absolute pleasure to be on set with him and learn from him. It's great fun.
Silver Jubilee in the industry.
Yeah.
Coming with Dhoom 3.
That's right. I never thought of that.
Would you say this is the toughest role in your career till date?
I think so. I think I'll say that. You're absolutely right. I think this is probably the toughest character I've played in my career so far. Yeah. I can say that honestly.
Victor